Living organisms are made of what we call organic molecules. And organic means that it's carbon-based. Carbon is an element. We can also think of carbons as atoms, the smallest unit of matter. I'm not going to go into detail about this, but it's important for you to know about carbon is that it has 4 electrons in its outer shell. And we want 8 electrons total. So we want 8, it has 4. So it has 4 needed electrons to make it stable. And it's only going to exist in the world if it's stable. Needing 4 electrons in the outer shell means carbon is highly versatile. It can make 4 single bonds to fill its shell. So it's sharing electrons in order to fill the shell. It can make 2 double bonds to fill the shell. It can make 1 double bond and 2 single bonds. And so all these different types of bond combinations will give you different shapes. Sometimes it's a flat molecule or flat part of the molecule. Sometimes it could be a pyramid shape of the molecule. These guys getting the different shapes will give molecules different characteristics. Because the characteristics of a molecule is based off shape. So carbon is very special because it can make so many different bonds due to having 4 electrons needed in the outer shell. You'll also notice that we can put carbons in chains. And you can see on the top left that there's a chain with a double bond. And you'll notice the carbons are attached to lots of other things, in this case hydrogens. On the top right, you'll notice that we have a branching pattern. So we have a carbon branching off, and we can make extensive branches off the carbon skeleton. On the bottom, you can see carbons can make ring structures, so single bond rings, double bond rings. And even in those structures with the rings, it can attach to other atoms. Those atoms don't have to be hydrogen. They can be other groups called functional groups, which I cover in a different lecture, giving each of these carbon skeletons different characteristics. And that's what makes different types of molecules.